everybody? It's your boy Young Red from the NYPs. Now we're about to introduce you to the Grape Taste Contest.
This is the Grape Soda Taste Contest. Now my pops and myself, we've been loving grape soda for a very long time. And since we're from New York and Harlem, we're about to introduce you to what we think is the best tasting grape soda. So we have grape soda that spans all the way from New York all the way down Virginia. Malik, tell us what sodas we got.
We have Tropical Fantasy,
next one.
Goya,
Next one.
Old Colonial,
Next one.
Sunkiss,
Next one.
Jamaican,
Next one.
Welch's,
Next one.
Fanta, Crush, City Club, Top Pop. Now, even though City Club and Top Pop appears to be from the same brand,
We're going to taste both of them anyway.
Stewart's, Country Club, Jolly Rancher, Kid Connection, and we have grape soda from Passmark.
You know, the generic brand grape soda. The one your mom used to make us drink when we couldn't afford the name brand. And what else?
We have Grape from Virginia.
Alright, now what we're about to do now is start with what we think is the best tasting grape soda. We have Tropicana Twister, right?
Yes.
And the reason why we got this big Twister is because we couldn't find the 16 and the 20 ounce in New York, so we picked this up from Virginia. So with that being said, let's get into the grape soda taste testing contest. So we're gonna start pouring some of the soda out and give y'all what our opinion is or what the best grape is. I'm gonna start with Welch's, since Welch's is known as a very great company. We are judging this grape soda contest on what tastes most like grapes, number one, and then what's the best flavored grape soda. So let's start. My favorite has always been this one. Let's see if it can be dethroned.
I'll go first.
It's time to take all the grape Welch's. Now that is surely good. Let's go with the name brands first. This Sunkiss. Let's see what the Sunkiss and the Welch's do. It definitely fizzes.
My test with Sunkiss, same thing.
Okay, Welch's is the winner there. Gotta pour more Welch's here. Let's go with the Fanta. Let's go with the Fanta.
No.
Oh. This is competing. Somebody must have shook this up.
Daddy.
fun to taste the Welch's here. Let me try the Welch's again.
Welch's.
I'm going Welch's. Now I don't know what you guys gonna think is your favorite, but you can feel free to try this grape soda taste testing contest on your own. We just are giving you our opinion, and hopefully you guys will agree. Try the next one. Pick one.
Oh, okay.
Pick one.
I'll pick Colonial.
Colonial.
Another one here. Daddy.
Bubble Buster.
Daddy.
Go back to my Welch's.
To me, this beat Welch's.
Let me test that. Come on, okay. Uh-oh, Welch's got a little competition.
So my father's trying to be green and drink all the juice.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to go with Welch's. Who you go with?
Colonial.
Well, let's ask my daughter to break the tie. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
What is this?
This is Welch's.
That's Colonial. For me.
And that's Colonial.
This has a better aftertaste. Thank you!
Welch's. This is Welch's.
Oh.
Well, you know, Malik's still going with his Colonial. He can try his Colonial. I'm going to put my Welch's up against what it is, and then as we continue, we could then probably just try to see which one is the better in the end between both me and Malik.
Yeah.
But I think the Welch's held up. I did have to go at it again with the Colonial. I ain't going to front. The old Colonial did have me thrown back a little bit, and I guess I'm anticipating for some of this soda to fizz up on me, so let me just take a preparation here.
Now, me, I'm about to pick another grape soda just to get rid of it. My worst ever tasted one.
That's what was worse yet. I mean, he wants to put up the Jolly Rancher.
My father's gonna taste it, I'm not, because I already disqualified it.
Now, I can't lie. I already know Welch is going to beat this. But this Jolly Rancher tastes exactly like Jolly Rancher candy. So if that's what they were going with, they achieved what they wanted. But I'm going to put this down.
Thank you. Disqualified is Jolly Rancher.
The next soda I'm going to go with is Tropicana Twister. Now, we couldn't find a 16-ounce Twister, so this Twister comes all the way from Virginia. Tropicana is a big name brand. Doesn't have the fizz that Sunkist and Welch's had, but I'm gonna taste it anyway. Very, very strong. Welch's.
Now, if I have to say anything, I know this is making you thirsty, so go get a drink. No, thank you.
What you think won?
I have to say Welch's.
You have to say Welch's.
And Colonial.
Well, you can stay with Colonial if you want, if you feel Colonial want. This is Tropicana. That's Colonial. This is Welch's. What other name brands we got up there?
We got a CNC.
The old favorite CNC. Now this was back in the days when I was 3 or 4 years old running around. CNC was up in the stores. So let's see. Oh! Nah.
That's something that they gotta spec. Now it
Once
seems like
again,
you mixed it with the twisters. So we're gonna have to taste that too. Again.
I guess we're expecting everything to fizz up on us here.
Daddy. Come on!
Now I can already know. Welch's.
My next choice is City Club.
Now that's a very generic brand, City Club. Let's
This doesn't fizz up on us.
no fizz, very good. Fizz when it pours though. Got a medicine-y taste. I'll put that back.
I didn't have to taste twice. This is seconds.
Now, we ain't got a lot of sodas left. So far, my vote is Welch's.
So far, my vote is still Colonial.
Alright, so it's right now between Welch's and Colonial. And
My next choice is
Grape.
Grape.
Now, Malik drunk all the Grapettes. So, I do know for a fact that this Grapette
That's good.
was kind of good. So, you know, if we run out of it, we don't have enough Grapette to go up against what we might think wins. So,
It tastes the same.
like it? So, between Grapette and Colonial.
Colonial style.
Let's put it down. Put it next to the soda.
I don't know that. What's next for you, Daddy?
Let's go with some of the bottles. No, let's get rid of all the plastic bottle ones first.
I know which one is on the plate.
Let's go to Tropical Fantasy.
Told ya. Well, I already tell ya.
I don't know why everything is fizzing out.
Daddy, because you had it in a big bag when you were walking with it, thinking you were Santa Claus. No. Now remember, this was filmed a couple of days before Christmas. And I was thinking about this game, yeah. No. Give me. Now this used to be my favorite.
No, I'm sorry, but I don't
What?
even gotta drink Welch's to know that ain't beating it. Welch's is still a top dog for me.
Colonial. Still.
So what it seems like it's coming down to, people, is between Welch's, Colonial, and all the other contenders. Right now, we're gonna move to the last plastic bottle. Top Pop and City Club.
We still have 10.
Okay.
But I already know the second one.
Top Pop and City Club appears to be the same soda because they got the same colors. And when you look at it, they're made from the same company, same zip codes, everything. But just for the hell of it, because it had a different brand, we brought it to the taste test. So let's taste it. Low fizz again. But when you pour it, fizzes.
Way better than another one.
Really? Let's taste it against City Club.
I think.
the medicine-y taste.
This one is still better than that.
No, it's not. It's the same soda.
Yeah, okay. Now, my next pick is, shit, my father's getting rid of all of them.
The Kid Connection soda. This came from Virginia also, along with the Grape. And hopefully this doesn't fizz up on me.
No, it's not gonna fizz, Daddy. Now, I already know it's not gonna win, but let's try. No, hey. I know my father didn't taste it.
Just to go with the Top Pop and the City Club. Got that kind of taste. Put that back. Put that back.
Now we have one more CNC. Now we're gonna see if this wins. Why are you throwing it back on again?
Go back on, taste it fall.
How was this before?
Now this CNC and this other CNC, once again, just to be sure, we brought it to the taste test because it had different look, like Malik just said, and we're gonna compare it against the other CNC.
Now, this CNC I already know was disgusting. What? Still taste it?
I don't know what's up with the medicine.
I don't taste.
I'm gonna make sure it tastes just like the other CNC. Yeah. Not happy.
Now, we're gonna get rid of the cans now. We have one more can and we're not open yet.
The generic Pathmark brand. And we couldn't find the Crasdale generic brand. We couldn't find the Seatown generic brand.
Oh, we sitting properly.
The Met Food generic brand. But we did find the Pathmark generic brand. So, let's give it a cut.
Now let me get the first test since you've been knowing the first test is, so I've only been the first.
Fizzing.
Good, but still didn't beat Welch's so earlier.
Good, but like Malik said, not better than Welch's.
And Colonial.
I mean, taste it against Colonial. I might like it better than Colonial. No, I don't like it better than Colonial.
Exactly. He tried. Now, my next test is, I never tested in my life. Country Club.
Country Club in the bottom. From the, I believe, the Dominican Republic. Fresh Coast Country Club. Give me a... Oh, it's very smooth. No.
No, like my friend said, no. Again, no. Now at the end of this, we should get shouts to form a little rap so we can put it on there.
No, we're going to try Stewart, you know, the Fountain Classic.
Never heard of it.
I heard of it.
You just have to dip black.
Sorry, Stewart. I thought you had a chance.
Tastes like cotton candy.
It has exactly. Now here's an old classic, Crush.
Now, this should crush
The competition.
well, we gotta try.
Give me a cup. Now,
I'm finally the only one that tasted it.
Crushed
Most
does tastes like Concord grapes.
But most definitely didn't beat the competition.
Not a winner.
No.
Couple sodas left.
You still have a couple more, not two left.
That's a couple. Jamaican grape, made by DG Genius.
DG Genius?
I've seen this around a couple of times.
Now, the first time I tasted it, it was kind of good. But I never tasted cannoli that time.
I don't even have a taste.
Was it this or was it that? Was it this?
No to Jamaican. Goya, oh boy.
My cousin always wanted to give Cody, so shout out to Cody. Happy now.
Kind of flat. And all these sodas are cold, by the way. What you think?
No.
Okay, so the competition has all failed except for Welch's.
And great. Now we're gonna get some more people to see which one won.
Now, I kind of believe that the Welch's is it.
No, I still believe that it is Claudio. Oh, that. I just wanted to be funny, so we could get the top rate. Whoops. Colonial.
Now, I'm doing a taste test for Colonial.
Now, after this, I think we should fuse them together. Daddy.
Sit down.
How was that? Ooh, I fell.
I gotta tell you, I think it's Welch's.
I still think it's Colonial.
Taste it again. You gotta come up with a winner. Kira already broke the tie test between Colonial and Welch's. That's Colonial. That's Welch's. Colonial.
To me, it's the same. But I vote still. I got 2 votes on this.
I'm just picking Colonial, and I'm picking Welch's. And with respect to what I know is missing from back in my past, Canada Dry, Concord Grape, couldn't find you. Knee High, couldn't find you. And Nidix grape soda, couldn't find Nidix, couldn't find that either. So, with respect to those soda not being here, the #1 grape soda of all times is
Claudio!
Welch's.
Claudio!
By far the clear winner. Welch's. And my daughter said so.
Claudio!
Now you hear that, Welch's?
Claudio!
We just endorsed it.
Claudio! Claudio!
Welch's is the winner.
Claudio!
Welch's is the winner.
Claudio! It's winning. All winners.
Tune in to the next time.
We have the Irish tasting contest.
Or whatever taste test contest that you think that we could taste, because we like tasting food. So if you want to send us a recipe or something that we should taste that you know there's an abundance of, and it don't have to be soda, it could be the best chocolate cake out on the market. Send your comments to rev@revisreal.com.
Wait. We still have a test. I'm going to give it one test. I want to see if Colonial and Welch's are good mix.
right, everybody. You heard it here from Rev himself.
No.
The Grape
Young Rev.
Grape
N-Y.
Soda Taste Test Contest is now officially over. And the winner by 2-1.
No. 3-2.
2-1.
3-2.
Welch's.
Colonial. 3-2. No.